Okay guys, so basically I'm inside my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm just going to let my vehicle information center VIC outside like this, just to test it if it's going to show me any errors. I just plugged in, left it right over there. And about the reassembling, I'm going to make a separate video because I found it was harder than I thought in this 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So fingers crossed. I'm just going to unlock my Jeep, put in the ignition and see if it's going to show me any errors. But no, over here is not. Alrighty then. So it does still show me as it is in part-time, even though it is on two-wheel drive over here. I'm just going to set my date over here. Let me see if I get this. So it's going to be, I believe, set. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I don't know what time it is. It is 18. 18:35. I'm just going to leave it just like this, so to see if 37 right now, to see if it's going to give me any errors. It's not Sunday, it is today, it's Friday, the 30th date, 30th of March. Okay, I'm just going to leave it just like this. Gonna get a low gas. No, nothing's happening. Let me just see where I turn the lights on. Okay, just put my light, dimmed my lights. Okay, so no error whatsoever, but still I do get the part-time error as it is shown here. I didn't find the solution for the part-time. I thought it would fix with the resoldering of the joints, but at least no bad coolant sensor error. Alright? Cool. I'm going to turn it off right now. And I believe I'm going to make a separate video on how to reassemble again the wick in its final position and all the other stuff. So, see you.